Discover the latest innovations in craftsmanship with 15 new woodworking tools on Amazon that every DIY enthusiast and professional will appreciate. From precision cutting gadgets to powerful drills and versatile hand tools, these upgrades are designed to make your projects faster, easier, and more accurate. Whether you're building furniture, carving details, or tackling home improvement, these must-have tools will take your woodworking skills to the next level. Inequalit 4 Amp Mini Circular Saw. The Inequalit 4 Amp Mini Circular Saw, priced at $39.99, combines power and precision in a compact design. Driven by a 4-amp motor with 3,500 RPM, it cuts wood, plastics, PVC, laminate, MDF, and plasterboard with ease. A built-in laser guide, scale ruler, and bevel lever ensure accurate straight or angled cuts up to 45 degrees. The adjustable depth gauge, 0 to 1 11/16 inch, adapts to various tasks, while a dust extraction system with vacuum adapter keeps your space clean. Package includes blades, RIP guide, vacuum adapter, Allen key, manual, and warranty card. Trend Concealed Screw Deck Jig. The Trend Concealed Screw Deck Jig, priced at $52.99, is the ultimate tool for achieving a professional, screw-free deck finish. It drills precise, angled holes and drives screws beneath the surface, improving both aesthetics and durability. With dual screw setup, it eliminates the need for repositioning, streamlining your workflow. Designed for versatility, it fits decking boards from 3.5 inches to 6 inches, accommodating softwood, composite, and treated lumber. Swappable spacers ensure consistent gaps for drainage and longevity. A built-in T15 Torx, bit with depth stop, is included for precision and convenient onboard storage. Batavia Nexxsaw Ultra. The Batavia Nexxsaw Ultra, priced at €99.99, is a compact, cordless, one-handed chainsaw designed for power, precision, and ease of use. Weighing just 3 kilograms, it features a 0 to 32 degree rotating head for versatile cutting angles, making it ideal for pruning overhead branches or working at ground level. Its brushless motor delivers superior performance and efficiency, while the manual oil lubrication pump ensures smooth chain operation and extended tool life. Compatible with the Batavia MaxPack 18-volt battery platform, it also supports an optional extension pole for reaching up to 3 meters safely. Arbortech Turbo Shaft. The Arbortech Turbo Shaft, priced at $119 US, is a high-performance power carving attachment designed for woodworkers and sculptors seeking precision and versatility. Perfect for freehand carving, it allows for creating deep and narrow profiles, lettering, and decorative detailing with ease. Equipped with replaceable and rotatable tungsten carbide teeth, it delivers long-lasting durability. The adjustable depth gauge ensures controlled, accurate cuts for safe operation. Compatible with most 100mm and 4-inch and 115mm and 4.5-inch angle grinders, the turbo shaft makes sculpting in tight spaces and detailed template work efficient and professional. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Circular Saw. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Circular Saw, price at $138.60, delivers corded-like power with cordless convenience. Equipped with a Power State brushless motor, it offers longer life, faster cutting speeds, and unmatched performance. Red Link Plus Intelligence optimizes efficiency while protecting against overload, overheating, and over-discharging. Built with magnesium guards and shoe, it combines durability with lightweight handling. Features include an integrated rafter hook, LED work light, electric brake for safety, and compatibility with the entire M18 battery system. With tool-free adjustments and dust collection, it's engineered for precision, reliability, and demanding job site tasks. Leigh Isoloc templates. The Leigh Isoloc templates, priced at $309 expand the capabilities of your Leigh D-Series and Super Jigs, allowing you to craft strong, decorative joints with ease. Offering 6 unique patterns for half-blind, through, and end-on-end joints, these templates also enable creative inlays and shadow inlays, elevating woodworking projects with distinctive designs. Precision CNC machined from durable aluminum alloy, they feature both imperial and metric scales for accuracy. With Leigh's patented variable guidebush system, VGS, achieving a precise fit is simple. Each template includes a detailed user guide, ensuring easy setup and smooth operation. Arbortech Ball Gouge. The Arbortech Ball Gouge, priced at $129, is a high-performance, spherical wood carving tool designed to hollow small concave surfaces with speed and precision. Featuring a 30mm diameter, ball-shaped cutter, it is perfect for carving spoons, bowls, and small to medium sculpting projects. Its innovative ring-shaped blade is self-sharpening, rotatable, and replaceable, ensuring long-lasting durability. Equipped with anti-grab technology, it prevents unwanted digging for smoother carving. Compatible with most 4 to 4.5 inch angle grinders, 5/8 spindle up to 12,000 RPM. It also comes with an Allen key. Jet 22-inch scroll saw. The Jet 22-inch scroll saw is designed for precision and convenience, making detailed cutting easier than ever. Its arm tilts 45 degrees left and right, while keeping the table flat for accurate cuts. A variable speed range of 400 to 1,550 strokes per minute adapts to any project, while the exclusive 2-in-1 blade change system clamps and tensions simultaneously. The 12 7/8 inch by 23 inch cast iron table ensures stability and reduces vibration. With built-in blade storage, a hands-free foot switch, and a spring-loaded 10-inch lift arm, this scroll saw delivers efficiency and control. Metabo HPT18 Volt Brad Nailer. The Metabo HPT 18 Volt Brad Nailer, priced at $119, delivers powerful and efficient performance with its mechanical spring technology, capable of driving up to 2-inch brad nails. Powered by an 18-volt 2.0 amp-hour battery, it provides up to 700 nails per charge with a convenient fuel gauge. Weighing just 5.5 pounds and featuring a low center height, it easily fits into tight spaces. With fast, ramp-up free response, a bright LED work light, and toolless depth adjustment, this nailer is reliable, convenient, and eliminates the need for gas, hoses, or compressors. Kreg Inline Clamp. The Kreg Inline Clamp is a premium home improvement tool designed to keep your materials secure without getting in the way. This versatile workshop accessory features a clamp shoe that easily holds multiple shapes, making it ideal for various woodworking tasks. Its contoured dial ensures effortless adjustments, while the long push rod provides a 4 3/4 inch range for precision. Built for durability, it fits standard 3/4 inch bench dog holes and applies up to 250 pounds of side clamping force. With Kreg tools, you can confidently bridge the gap between idea and outcome, Tesmen TWM-186. The Tesmen TWM-186, priced at $16.99, is a compact pen-style wood moisture meter designed for portability and precision. Ideal for woodworking, construction, water damage restoration, and home improvement. It delivers fast, accurate moisture readings with its dual high-precision pins. Featuring 2 modes and 7 calibration scales, it covers a wide range of woods and materials with a 0.0% to 58% detection range. A data hold function ensures reliable recordings, while the 3-color display makes results easy to interpret. It includes 2 AAA batteries, a user manual, and auto off with low battery alerts. Kreg Panel Carrier. The Kreg Panel Carrier is a premium home improvement tool designed to make moving heavy sheets simple and strain-free. With the ability to carry up to 100 pounds, it's perfect for handling full 4x8 sheets and materials up to 3/4 inch thick. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable one-handed carrying, reducing back and arm strain. Built for durability, this heavy-duty tool ensures sheets are held securely without damage. Like all Kreg products, it helps woodworkers bridge the gap between idea and outcome efficiently. MICROJIG GRR-RIP block. The MICROJIG GRR-RIP block, priced at $29, is the #1 best overall push block, praised by popular mechanics for unmatched control, safety, and precision. Featuring smart hooks technology, its auto-retracting heel hooks prevent kickback for safer woodworking. The proprietary green GRR-RIP grip offers extreme non-slip traction on wood, plastic, and metal. Its ergonomic handle with a 90-degree flip guide reduces strain while ensuring precise cuts on table saws, router tables, and bandsaws. Versatile for vertical and freehand use, it's proudly made in the USA, backed by a 3-year warranty. Kreg Multipurpose Project Blocks. The Kreg Multipurpose Project Blocks are must-have woodworking tools that make excellent gifts for men who love DIY, carpentry, or home improvement. Designed for stability and versatility, these blocks provide a reliable workspace for cutting, gluing, or assembly tasks. Paired with Build Something's Edge Band spring clamp, they ensure secure holding power for precise professional results. Perfect for dads, brothers, or any craftsman, this set enhances efficiency in any workshop. At Kreg Tools, we create premium home improvement tools to simplify and elevate every DIY project. Milescraft Lockmate Plus. The Milescraft Lockmate Plus, priced at $39.99, is a versatile door lock installation kit designed for convenience and precision. This self-clamping tool requires no screws or hardware, ensuring zero surface damage to your doors. It comes complete with 2 1/8 inch and 1 inch bimetal, cobalt alloy hole saws, capable of cutting through wood, metal, solid, or hollow core doors. Featuring metal-lined stepped drill guide bushings, the kit prevents wear and extends jig life. It easily adjusts for 1 3/8 inches and 1 3/4 inch thick doors, supports 2 3/8 inch and 2 3/4 inch back sets, and is compatible with most lock sizes.